With BenQ DMS, you can use automation to save time and improve your workflow. First, go to dms.benq.com and log in with your admin credentials. On the left-hand menu, go to Automation. Click Add. Then enter a name for the task you want to automate. Next, you can select different triggers, such as time, use storage, connection to a certain network, powering on, or launching a specific app. After selecting your trigger, configure the settings if necessary. Then click Next. You can now select the desired actions. Note that you can add several actions for one trigger. Click Finish. Lastly, click Publish to push your new automation to a specific target. Select a device, group, or tag. Then click Confirm. That's it! You can now automate tasks to streamline operations and make your workflow more efficient.